Okay, chalo, look at the questions here. I'm giving you more homework now. I mean, whichever questions I'm going to find simpler will be homework. And whichever I find difficult, we are going to do now. Okay? It is half an hour now. A storybook contains 20 stories. Hina read 1/4 of the stories. So how many stories did she read? She hona chahiye, the read hai. Okay. Sanvi, could you help me in doing this question, bacha?
Yes, ma'am. So we can do 20 divided by 4 multiplied by 1.
That is correct. What Sanvi is saying is that we have to find out 1/4 of 20. Am I right, Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
So basically they are asking us to find out 1/4 of 20 because Hina has read only 1/4 of the pages. So everyone can do this question now?
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 5. Yes, ma'am.
The answer is 5. Please do it now only. I want you to figure out the answer now.
Ma'am, the answer is 5.
The answer is 5. That is correct. But is everyone able to do?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 5? Yes, ma'am.
Harika, Urvija, are you able to do?
Yes, 5.
Zaira, are you able to figure out the answer?
No, ma'am.
See, you people are saying 5, 5 and every... Okay, I'll tell you how. Look here. In order to find out the answer, Zaira, we will do... It is saying that a storybook contains 20 stories and Hina has read only 1/4 of the stories. So how many stories did she read? So she has read 1/4 of 20. Now Zaira, of means multiplication. So 1/4 multiply by 20. Where is my 20 written, Zaira? Is it in the numerator or denominator?
Numerator.
Zaira, where is it written? Numerator. So if there is nothing in the denominator, then I can put 1. It won't make any difference. Pranavi, bacha, mute.
Ma'am, the disturbance is not from my end.
Not from your end. Who is on unmute except Zaira? Udipan, Urvija, mute, please. Okay, thank you. Now, Zaira, what is 1 into 20?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 1 multiplied by 20?
20.
20. And what is 4 multiplied by 1? 4 only?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you divide 20 by 4, what will you get?
4 5s are 20.
Correct. So that is how, Zaira, the answer is 5. Are you able to understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. Who is on unmute? I can hear somebody talking at the back. Udipan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Bacha, mute. Please put yourself on mute. Thank you.
20/4.
This is not the way, Pranavi. No.
Ma'am, I'm not Pranavi.
Who is answering like this?
Admina.
The answer is wrong. Rama bought 7 packets of paint and he used only 3 buckets. So out of 7 buckets, if you are using 3,
4 by
what
7.
fraction of paint buckets is left?
4 by 7. 4 by 7.
4 by 7. Is Alarika able to understand? Okay. Bacha, if you are not able to understand anywhere, any one of you, please ask me, stop me then and there. Now 3 packets of sugar weigh 3 by 10 kg, 4 by 10 kg and 1 by 10 kg. So you have to find the total weight of 3 packets and I want this answer from Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishan, what is the total weight of 3 packets?
Ma'am, we have to add
We have to add. What will we add? Both numerator and denominator. Are the denominators same in all the fractions?
Yes, ma'am. The denominators are same.
So
They
we
are
will
all the
add
same.
the.
Ma'am, we will add the both denominator and numerator.
No, Ishan. When we do addition of fractions, then when the denominators are same, we only add the numerators. The denominator of your sum of your answer is also 10 only.
So, ma'am, it is 8 by 10.
It is 8 by 10. Exactly. Exactly. I hope the doubt is clear, Ishan. You will never add or subtract denominator.
Okay.
Okay, denominator remains the same.
Which question? Ma'am, the
Admina, third question, bacha.
Ma'am, but when the denominators are same, then how we do?
Bacha, the denominators are same means the fractions are like fractions. You will not get a question if the denominator is not same. You will only get questions of the same denominators.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because Ishan, in order to make the denominator same, we have to figure out LCM, which you will learn in grade 4. It is not part of grade 3 course.
Ma'am, can we also do unlike fractions?
No, we can't do unlike fractions now because bacha, for unlike fractions, I have to altogether teach you a separate topic, which I will not get an extra class for. If they can give me an extra class, I can teach you. But I have a fixed number of classes to finish fixed course. Are you getting my point? I need an extra class to teach you how to figure out how to change unlike fractions to like fractions. It is a lengthy thing. Okay, chalo, let's move on to question number 4. Nikunj spent 4 by 24 of his time sleeping, 4 upon 24 of his time playing, and 7 by 24 of his time studying. What is the total fraction of the time he spends? Sanvi.
Ma'am, 15 upon 24.
She is absolutely right because the denominators are same. It is all 24. So we just have to add the numerators, which is 4 plus 4 plus 7, which gives you 15 upon 24. Okay. How much of time is left for doing other activities? Mukund, do you want to answer?
No, ma'am, I had a doubt. Ma'am,
Okay.
can we even multiply or just add or subtract?
No. See, addition of fractions and multiplication of fractions are two different things.
Okay.
Because we can, when we multiply two fractions, then we multiply both the numerators and the denominators also. But in addition and subtraction of fractions, Mukund, we don't touch the denominator. The denominator of the fractions and the answer remains the same. There is a very big difference. Okay. So, who can help me finding the...
Me.
Daksh. Okay, let Daksh answer. Yes.
24 minus 15 is 9. Can I tell us the answer?
Okay, Daksh, could you please repeat again?
Minus 15.
Excellent. He is right. Very good, Daksh. See, out of how many parts am I dividing the whole? Total number of parts are 24. My denominator tells me the total number of equal parts.
Yes.
Right? Out of 24, if 15 upon 24 are gone, then how much are left?
It will be 9.
It will be 9. Why, children? Because okay, there are two ways now. Everyone on mute, please. There is a lot of background noise. Thank you. Now children, basically my one complete whole is divided into 24 equal parts. So either I can write it as one complete whole, or when I know that it is there are 24 equal parts to it, if I put it like this, is it same as one whole, 24 upon 24? Yes, 24 by 24 is one whole.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So in order to find out how much of his time is left, I am gonna place because I want like fractions. So rather than putting one whole, I'm writing one whole as 24 by 24. Now, is the denominator same in both the fractions?
Yes, ma'am. So we can minus.
Now we can minus easily. And when we do 24 minus 15, we get 9 by 24. Basically, I can write one whole as 24 upon 24 because in one whole, both the numerator and the denominator are same. Only then I get 1 because 24 ones are 24 and 24 ones are 24. So 1 upon 1 gives me 1. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are you sure? Akka?
Yes, ma'am.
Who wants to tell fifth question? Okay, Rebanta. Yes.
Can I tell?
Wait, Ishan. Rebanta sent me a message in the chat box.
Ma'am, Ishan first. I also sent a message.
And oh, okay, Rebanta, now you will have to wait. It's Ishan first. I'll ask you next one. Okay, Rebanta, wait.
Okay,
Yes, Ishan. A man gave 7 by 15 of his property to his wife, 4 by 15 to her daughter, and remaining to his son. So what part of the property did son receive? Please tell me, Ishan, how can I do it?
Ma'am, we will minus.
We will minus what?
Ma'am, we will minus 7, 4.
No. See, I have a pizza. Okay. I am giving 2 pieces to you, Ishan. These 2 pieces are for you. And I am eating one of the pieces. So how many pieces can I give to Daksh now?
And so we will.
What did I do? I added your number of pieces. See, you are eating 2 pieces and I am eating 1 piece. So how many pieces are we eating together? 3 pieces?
Yes, ma'am.
There are total 4 pieces, out of which we are eating 3. So how many can we share with Daksh now?
So it is, ma'am, 3 by 15.
No. It is not 3 by 15. First, what we will do is, we will add the property which the man is giving to wife and daughter. So, 7 by 15 he is giving to his wife and 4 by 15 to the daughter and the remaining to the son. So, when I add them up, what do I get, Ishan?
Ma'am, 7 plus 4.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is 11.
11. Now, 11 by 15 property is already given. So, how much property is left so that he can give it to his son? Now, the whole of the property, complete whole property, can I write it as 15 by 15 because he is making 15 equal pieces of his property? Ishan, in how many equal pieces is the man dividing his property? 15 equal pieces because my denominator is 15, bacha. Are you getting me, Ishan?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Is my voice breaking?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Ishan, internet issue from your end, I think. No, my internet connection is stable today.
No, ma'am. Actually, it's not breaking.
It's not breaking, na? So basically, children, in order to find out the leftover part that his son can receive, We will subtract 11 by 15 from 15 by 15 because 15 by 15 is complete whole. I'm writing it on the screen so that Ishan, you can see. By seeing, you will understand if my voice is breaking. Bacha, it is internet issue from your end. So the property that he can give to his son is 4 by 15 because 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now, Rebanta, next question you can answer.
Ma'am, 12 upon 20. 12 upon 20.
Not like this, na. You will have to make me understand like I make you understand. Come on. I don't know how to solve. Tia drew a grid of 20 with 20 squares. She colored 8 squares with the blue paint. So what fraction of the grid was painted blue? What fraction of the grid was painted blue? You are saying what? 12 by 20. Rebanta,
No.
what happened to you?
No, I am saying that the
You are telling me the fraction for the grid which is not painted. I want the fraction for the grid which is painted. Tell me what is the fraction for the grid which is painted blue? 8 out of 20, Rebanta. 8 squares are painted blue and total are 20. So 8 by 20. Okay, now how to find out the answer out of these 4 options? Is that what is the confusion?
yes.
Can you reduce it further? Do they come in any common table? Tell me. 8 and 20, do they come in any same table?
1 minute.
Think.
Yes, I know. They come in
4 table. So if I divide both my, see children always make sure.
Ma'am, 2 also comes.
2 also comes. Yeah, there I can do it both the ways. If you will divide it by 2, again you will have to divide it by 2. Because you will be able to reduce it further. I'll tell you, wait. Children, make sure when you are dividing it, both numerator and denominator by the same number. You cannot change the number. If I divide it straight away by 4, what will I get? 2 by 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose as Dharya is saying that, ma'am, we can divide it by 2. Let me divide it by 2, Dharya, for you. And let's see what happens. Dharya, tell me if I divide 8 by 20 by 2 by 2, what will I get?
Ma'am, 8 by 2 is 4.
4.
And 2 by 20 is 10.
20 by 2 is 10. Now, can I reduce it further?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, 4 divided by 4 can be 1.
No, but 10 doesn't
By
come.
2.
By 2. Yes.
Oh, so by 2 we can say that 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 10 divided by 2 is 5.
See, I'm getting the same answer rather than dividing by 4. 2 times I am dividing. Is this clear to everyone? 6th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever questions I'm doing with you, make sure you revise all of them. You do it once on your own. All the questions of this exercise. Am I clear? It's not like we're done in the class, so we won't repeat. If you will repeat, your fractions concept will become stronger. If you will do it on your own. Okay. Students from grade 3rd, 4th and 5th were ordering books. There were 28 students in 3rd grade, 33 students in 4th grade, and 30 students in 5th grade. From the 3rd grade, 3 by 4 of these students ordered books. From the 4th grade, 1 by 3 of these students ordered books. And from the 5th grade, 2 by 3 of these students ordered books. So which grade ordered maximum number of books? Now, you have the total number of students of each grade.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you will have to do this question in 3 parts. First, you will have to find out 3 by 4 of 28, because they are talking about in 3rd grade, they are saying 28 students are there and 3 by 4 of 28 students ordered books. Similarly, in 4th grade, they are saying 1 by 3 of 33 students ordered books. And in grade 5, 2 by 3 of 30 students ordered books. Now you have to tell me that which in the chat box privately to me, tell me which of the grades ordered maximum number of books. I want the answers are, I think there is something, some changes in Zoom now. Not like this 3 by 4, 3 by 4. I want the proper answer. Which grade is it? I can see Boy Bobby's answer. I don't want answer like 3 by 4, 1 by 3. Children, I'm asking which grade. Okay, Rebanta, I can understand your answer. You are writing options, so that's understood. And Boy Bobby, your answer is also right. Rebanta, now I can, okay. Answer is correct. Here is Zaira, Mukund, Alarika, Rebanta. Boy Bobby, your answer is right. What about others?
Ma'am, is my answer right?
Yes, there. I'm taking names. Pranavi correct, Ishan correct.
Ma'am, is Mukund's correct?
Mukund, I took your name, na? I took your name. It's correct. Urvija correct. Wow. I like Ishan. I really like you talking in the class. When you talk, na, it really looks nice. Urvija, you also start talking. Daksh correct. Aradhya correct. Very good. Because 3 by 4 of 28 is equal to 21, if I am not wrong. 1 by 3 of 33 is equal to 11. And 2 by 3 of 30 is equal to 20. Very good, Admina. Correct. So this way 21 is the biggest number. So that means grade 3 ordered maximum number of books.
Ma'am, there was another way also.
Ma'am,
we can just compare it.
Compare the fraction part, right?
Yes, ma'am, I just compared it without solving.
But bacha, whole numbers are different, na Dharya. How can you compare? Their denominators are different.
Oh.
You can't compare, unlike fractions. You don't know how to do it. 3 by 4 has 4 as denominator. And 1 by 3 and 2 by 3, they have 3 as denominator. So right way is this way, like I am doing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because I know what is unlike fraction. I know everything about fractions. So I can do it like that way also. But you people will not be able to. And this is the right procedure. Okay, so if it was a guess for any one of you, this is the right way. Okay, don't do guesswork. Otherwise, the answer is going to go wrong. So that is why I'm asking you all to practice all these questions even after the class. Okay, chalo. I'm leaving 8 questions on you. That's homework. I am straight away. How many questions are there? So children, out of 15 questions, we are done with 7.
8 questions.
No, only 7 are done till now. 8 questions are left. Out of those 8 questions, I will do 2 or 3 more questions with you in another 5 minutes. And then you have to practice this whole sheet again. The questions which are left, you have to do them on your own. And that I have done with you in the class, you have to practice them again. Okay? Promise? Chalo, let's do this one. 9th one. Look at 9th question. Which of the following options show 40 by 64 in simplest form? Now children, simplest form means you have to reduce this fraction as much as you can. So think now and tell me, do they come in any common table? Think of a big number. If you will keep
Table.
in
For table.
5 tables, 64 doesn't come in 5 table. The
Can you sing 4 table? 4 table. Then 40 comments.
4 tables. Sorry. Yes, you can divide them both by 4. Dakshas. Yes, correct. Dakshas right. But how will you do 64 by 4? You will have to do and check. So what is 40 divided by 4?
10.
10. And what is 64 divided by 4? Daksh is doing. And children, if you are not able to think of a big number, that you can start from 2. Because it all depends on tables, if you know. It comes in 14's table.
And I was doing it.
No, I'm sorry, it comes in 16's table. Sorry. 16 fours are 64. So it all again comes on table. If you don't know, then you will have to start from 2. Why 2? Because all the numbers which have either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at one's place, they all are even numbers and they are divisible by 2.
Yes,
So here
ma'am.
I have 0 and here I have 4. So both these numbers are divisible by 2.
Yes,
So-
ma'am. Because any number added by even can be 1 only.
Yes. So Daksh, is it 16 if I divide 64 by 4?
Yes.
Right. Now do they come in any common table? 10 and 16 both?
2.
2. So what will be my final answer if I divide both 10 and 16?
Ma'am, I send you answer.
You send me answer? Okay, great. Excellent, Ishan. Very nice. You were able to do it before me. It is 5 by 8. Correct. This is simplest form or reducing the fraction is one and the same thing. If we have to reduce, we use division. Because we cannot reduce it by multiplying. When we multiply, number becomes big. When we divide, number becomes small. Okay. Now tell me, which of the fractions is equivalent to 5 by 6? Think and answer. Let me see who can answer. You can answer in the chat box. I have no issues.
Okay, ma'am.
No, Alarika, no. 6 by 9, how can that be equal to 5 by 6? This is my 5 by 6. Okay, if I multiply by 2, what will I get? Both the numerator and the...
Ma'am, did you get Mukun's?
Oh,
Is it
sorry. This is there are some changes in the chat.
Is it C? Option
It is right. Yes, Mukund, it's right. Yes, Aradhya, it is C. Aradhya, it is not B. Rebanta, it is not D. Udipan, it is C. Correct.
Then I send you answer.
Ishan, you are correct. Zaira, correct. Urbija, correct. Dheri, correct. Aradhya, correct. Larika, correct. Boybobi, correct. Admina, correct. Earlier, I was getting notification in the chat box, you know, but now there are some changes in Zoom. Actually.
Levanta.
Yes, bacha, correct now. It is.
Ma'am, is mine correct?
Yeah, I took everyone's name.
Ma'am, me there.
Yes, there it's correct. It is 10 by 12. Okay, so thinking questions. Now, 7 plus 2 more questions done. So out of 15, 9 questions we have already done in class. But I want you to repeat and do them again. And also rest 6 questions which we did not do from this sheet are your homework.